Hi, it's me, for People Brox, the British Tech Guru. This is that little runner, a mechanic's creeper that I built. And I tried lying on it, and I found it was most uncomfortable. I also found I couldn't propel it all that well. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify it. I'm going to start by probably taking one of the bars off from one side and maybe adding another bar and making it continuous 2x4 from about there to about there, and then see if I can lie on it and roll it. If I can, then I might move the wheels from here to about there, and we'll see how it works then. I don't know, it's something I'm trying. As with everything, it's all an experiment. 3 pieces of 2x4 is about 10.5 inches wide. I've just sat on that, and that's pretty comfortable. I'm not getting much traction on the gravel, despite the fact these are 4-inch wheels. Now, the rough ground creeper from Harbour Freight has 5-inch wheels. So I'm just experimenting right now. Yeah, I'm just going to keep on experimenting. Well, having experimented a little further, I've just put the extra board on. That's as wide as it's going to be. As we can see, the seating area is going to be about 15 inches wide. Oh no, 16, maybe 17 inches, I don't know. Oh, hang on, let's see, 12 away from 26.5. Yeah, about 14.5 inches wide, so that's pretty good. I'll shorten the ends here and see where I go from there. It's looking a bit more promising. I've given it I sat on it and pushed it around a little bit, a few inches, and it seemed to go okay, but it seemed to bind quite a bit on the really rough gravel. That's probably because the wheels are 5-inch, and I could probably do with bigger wheels, but I really don't want to spend the money on bigger wheels. Now, the Harbour Freight version has 6-inch wheels. I can buy 6-inch wheels, but I want to see whether I can make this work as it is before I spend money on bigger wheels. Because these wheels I already had one, and I bought 3 more, and I can use those on the kitchen stool that I built anyway, which probably needs new wheels by now. So yeah, this kind of works. I just need to fine tune it a bit more. Okay, so I've just taken the wheels off the one side, having got the bed to be about the right width. So now I'm going to reattach the wheels, maybe make use of one of the screw holes, because I've got 2 screw holes, one there and one there. Now, if I put the wheel on like that, it should, in theory, let me just put that there. Oops, yeah. It should, in theory, be about the same spacing as that wheel. Now, that wheel is not the same spacings. We'll get it working and see where we go from there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the completed version 2 of the dolly. It could be a little shorter, but I'm happy with the length. I'm going to put my foot on it now and try pushing it, and it really doesn't like to work on this crusher run, and that to me suggests that perhaps the $150 one from Harbour Freight wouldn't work on the crusher run either. but I'll try it and see what happens in use.